What's up, guys? I'm playing some agario. And I'll be playing I'll be playing agario, fidget and slither. Let's go. Eat it. It's harder control. Yeah. Oh, that guy's big. That guy's big. Don't run into him. It's harder to play on the phone in agario. That's the end. $38. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go at 8 Sarah. I think she just spawned when I got her, but still. This is a bad control. The bigger you get, the slower you move. No! Got me. Which highest mass? 65. Mass eaten? 63. Kills 1. Survive time 1 minute and 29 seconds. Let's go. I'm about to hit level 5. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Wait, did I unlock that skin? I think I did. At 160, I'm so close to getting the one right there. Let's keep playing some good. Hey, spawned in a bad spot. How do I go hide in one of these? You can't eat me. You're too small. Just kidding. He can actually eat me, but I'm not gonna let him. It is. Let's go. Let's go. Going for the king. Oh! Go up there. Man, I didn't eat all of it. Oh, eat it. Oh, I'm not going for that. Uh-oh. Eat him or not me. Eat it. I think I can eat this small guy. No! Okay, that was agario. And I had to download it before I started. So, now is Slither. I'm not going in order right now. At the end, I'll tell you what I like the best and what I like second best and the least. Oh my goodness. This guy can't. I never got decided in agario. Let's go, I'm so big. You see how big I got in that much time? I never got like this in agario. Let's go. Man, I was huge. My highest score is 51,000. Is 51,741. Like 47, whatever. I just killed that guy. You're not eating any of my dots. You're not eating any of my dots. But I can kill this guy. I can kill this pink. I can kill, what's his name? Beast Boy 414. And he killed Water Beast Boy. Or Beastie Boy. Whatever you wanna call it. But that guy knew I was going for it. And that guy is so good. And I am a food. Oh my goodness! Hey! I hate when the snakes do that and they like sideswipe you while I'm eating so much dots, and they're speeding and I'm not, and they like sideswipe me off like this. Oh, it failed, but when they like sideswipe you, they can kill you. It's so annoying. Oh, I need to go straight. Maybe should phone eat him like that. Hey. They could like side swipe you like that. Well, not like that though. Yeah, like that side swipe. Man, that guy was actually so huge. No! He ate all my food. Are you serious? Snake! If I ate that snake though, it would be... Go, eat it! Oh my... Cause you saw in you saw last video, you saw like, this is Slitherio 4 actually, but you saw in Slitherio 2, you know how big I got. You know, that's how I got that higher score that I said. What? Oh my. How are you not helping a small guy, big guy? How are big guys not helping small guys? That's just messed up. That's just messed up. Stop! I hate it when they do that. I'll just go take the ones that I missed. No! That's when they sideswipe you. There's two that I'm not just talking about that sideswipe. Or when you like, hey, Jewel, I would. No, what? How did I? All right, next up will be fidget.io. 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 I don't even know what the title of the video will. I don't even know what the title of the video will be. I have to think about it. But you guys know what it is. You guys officially know what it is, cause I think this video I might have to play this game the longest, cause like, you know. Can I eat this guy? Oh, I didn't see when like I just realized that it was small. It looks smaller than him. I didn't even. I like this golden. Let me get to 280 before you eat me. How is he bigger? I can't even play. I can't even play this game no more. Cause they keep doing some cheese. Cause they keep... What? How did I eat him? How did I get him? Ooh. I can... Okay, that guy can barely move. He's moving really slow. Ooh, I think I'm kind of big and I just ate that guy. Okay, I have 2 kills. And I'm 352. That's a good amount for that number. Eat this guy. Eat it. So this game is more like agario, but fidget spinners. It's more like agario. Stop! I need to eat it. Where's he? Oh no! Eat him! Eat it! Oh, that guy can eat me. I think that blue guy can eat me. Now he can't. Now I can eat him. Stop speeding, blue guy. I can kill both of these. Hey, now you can't kill me. I'm 504 and I have 4 kills. You know how big I got first video. You know how big I got. Go check out last video. You know how big I got. This is like Fidget gameplay 2. And Slitherio gameplay 4 and agario gameplay 1. So yeah. Oh my goodness, I need to eat this guy. Let's go. I can totally eat this guy, but I can't speed that fast. Because I'm big and I can't speed that fast. Like that guy can. Oh! I wish I got him. I don't even know if I can eat that guy or not. That's why I'm not going for him. Because he might be big. Because actually he might be bigger than me. Oh, that guy can totally eat me. I don't know if this guy could eat me. I'm just going to try to go for it. What? I thought I was bigger than him. I got even bigger than that in the first video. You know I got bigger than that. I have no kills. I thought I had 1 kill right there, but actually still had 9. Booma wooga. Waka shuki buki buki. Luigi mata gati yo. I can't kill this guy yo. Yahoo kashi boti bo. I'll let him kill me. Cause he's not a bee. I don't judge your bow. Bye guys. This is the end of the video. It's 8:10 a.m.